Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel Sherrill. Today we're going to talk about a tune that's normally played in A. And you can very well play this tune in A if you want, and most people do. But I'm playing it in G. And I'm playing it not in standard tuning. I am playing it in what I've been calling mountain modal tuning, what a lot of people call Sandy River Bell tuning, or Cumberland Gap tuning, or I don't know what else to call it, to be honest. But this tuning, for those who are interested, who want to play along, the tuning is E, A, D, E, G. So what's odd, and somebody pointed this out to me recently, is that it looks like a G shape on a guitar. And maybe because I play a lot of guitar, this just feels fun to me. I also just really like the sound of this tuning in particular, and how I have my whole G major, or my tonic, or triad right here, and I can choose the 9th, 3rd, 11th, 5th, and 13th if I wanted. And it really sounds cool with that Galax lick. Okay, so I'm going to teach this tune in G. But I will also go through this if you want to use this tuning to play in A. The reason I like this tuning is because if I'm in a jam with kind of non-traditional folks and we're kind of bopping through keys a little bit, I can play a bunch of tunes in G, but I can also play tunes in A in this same tuning that go to that flat 7 in the key of A, which would be G natural. An illustration of that would be like Buffalo Gals. Right into Squirrel Hunters. Right into Josie O. Right into Shaking Down the Acorns. Etc. So I have ease of going kind of without changing tuning, going from G to A, back to A, G to A, then A to G. And I can, in a pinch, I've learned some tunes in full-on A major with the G sharp in this tuning as well. You would just have to take this 5th string and definitely tune it up to A for those more straight up ahead in the key of A tunes. I also know a bunch of tunes in just standard old open A tuning. But this tune I'm going to teach in G. So the tuning again is E, A, D, E with the high G. And my 1 chord looks like this. My 4 chord looks like this. My flat 7 chord looks like this. And my 5 chord looks like this. And this is a very crooked tune as well. So that first part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, is kind of what I would argue is a measure of 4 and then a measure of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's hard to count and play at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a little sloppy, but a bar 4 and a bar 5. The B part, or I mean that's how I sometimes play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, slide to D. Boom, digga 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 done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's just 2 bars of 4. Really short little B part, which is cool. And then the C part, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Digga 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 doom. So let's break it down from the top. I like to hit this low, kind of like fiddlers. I've seen Bruce Smolsky play this tune, and I like when they dig into that low A or that low G. And here I'm kind of making the melody a little bit my own by using this Galax lick within that A part. I really like that. Do that again. There, I could either do it all with a thumb after these notes, G, 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 and then pulling off to that E. And I go right from that open E to second string open with a downstroke, and then another downstroke on this F. So G, G, A, E, then a D, D, F. D, F, G. To that fifth string. Do that again. And what's cool about this tuning again is I have my root here too. And I do that same thing again. Boom, ba, digga, digga. Yep. And then this is a refrain kind of throughout the piece. Digga, 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 dum. Digga, 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 dum. Digga, 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 dum. F, E, D, drop that thumb. C, B, G, A, F sharp, G. Digga, 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 dum. Digga, 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 dum. Another way to play it. Digga, 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 dum. With an immediate drop thumb to really accentuate that half step. Dagga, 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 gum. Dagga, 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 oops, dagga, dagga, oops, dagga, 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 dum. 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 Obviously, both are usable. So the whole A part. Boom, chugga, 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 boom, chugga, 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 dagga, 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 again. Now the B part outlines the flat 7. So this is F, A, F, F, A, slide to D, boom, then that same refrain riff. And you only do that way for the B part, so it's really short. Sometimes when I'm hitting this, if you're playing by yourself, that's fine. If you're playing with a fiddler, that may clash. Versus I mean, it will definitely clash, but it could be a nice clashing of the harmony. So the A, you do the A twice, and the B, this is what it sounds like. Whoops, B part. Right? Now we go to the C part, which is arguably the easiest. I mean, the B part. What's cool is that every part, A, B, and C, has this little section to it, this kind of cadence, which adds like the crookedness to the tune. So the C part, there it is, C part. And how I'm doing it, the bass line melody, but I'm kind of adding some extra sauce there. me take that whole A, A, B, C, C. B part. C part. Now, playing a harmony on this is a curious thing too. So I'm going G, G, right? Now, if I just wanted to play a higher octave, so I'd slide up from this F, G, G, A. So I'm going to still start on the G, and then but go B, C. So I'm still hitting those chord tones because I'm treating this F note as an F chord. Boom, 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 boom. Right? But I'm sliding F, G. So that first little bit would go. And then the little riff can be harmonized. Could sound really nice together. Do that harmony again. Right? Now the next little bit, in kind of this alteration. I like this half step sound. I really like that half step sound. And I can start that little extra riff there on the downbeat. That's starting on the downbeat, or I can start it on the upbeat. In context, that would sound like this, coming from that last riff of the A part. What's cool about this part too, I have this F chord right here. I can get all the way down to this F natural. And also play this F, C, D, E, G chord, which is really tight. There's just a lot of variations possible. Really just digging into that half step. F major, it's an F major 7 chord then. Then you get back into kind of the groundedness of that part. But oops, not like that. Which almost makes it sound like an A minor chord. Bum diddy on the F to A. So I pull off on that first fret, first string. Or right, there's some interesting stuff there. I really like that chord a lot. And you can also kind of break down into that harmony there too, which is an interesting choice. Now the C part. So there I'm just hitting that 4 chord. Is a choice. You can also go up to that D note, which I would advise playing solo, that's fine, but playing in an ensemble or a jam, you might throw off the fiddlers. Or they might find it fun and creative. And the variation really on that little riff can be used to substitute anytime during the playing of this tune. All right, so I'm gonna play it a few times. I'll play A, then A altered a little bit, then B with B altered a little bit, and I'll just kind of see how it goes. Back to A. Altered. B part. Oops, B part. It's really fun to play this tune because it's so crooked. All right. I hope if you're learning this tune for the first time, it's not too much on your hands. Again, this is in that kind of altered tuning. Now, if I wanted to play this tune in A, I would throw my capo up on the 4th fret and change my 5th string to E because I'm just a weird guy. Because I sometimes like to play an F. Natural or F major, and won't be the perfect tuning, but it's good enough for this. And here, how does it sound? Here's what it sounds like in A. Anyways, cool tune. If you have any questions or comments, please leave any questions or comments in the description below. If you got any tunes that you want to see melodic clawhammered out, let me know. And thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.